Well, my friends, today I am going to take you with me on a journey through time, and today I am going to show you something very old. Also, this video is going very different to what you saw before, because today I am going to vlog my journey and not only make a voiceover for the video. Today also is Sunday and it's evening, so I would expect a lot of people at the place. And I hope I will be brave enough to keep vlogging and not only making voiceover for my video. My destination today is located on the top of the hill, so if you will decide to replicate my journey, don't forget to wear comfortable shoes because it will be hard to walk on hills. And our destination today was Narikala Fortress. But once I came to the top of the hill, the rain is started, so I'm not sure if I will be able to finish my video today, because I initially planned to make the most of my video on drone, and I don't think that flying a drone under heavy rain is a good idea. So I will stay here for some time and we'll see. Maybe I will come here next day. As you may see, such a location of fortress was essential for the time when it was built, because it was easier to defend the fortress and also it was easier to discover any danger around it. The fortress is open all year round and entrance is free. You should come here like maybe from 10 o'clock in the morning and right after the dark it will be closed. Also from some angles you can see botanical garden. As you can see, it is here. Since we are already in the fortress itself, now let's discuss its history. The fortress was built in 4th century and it was originally built by Persians, but later on it was owned by Byzantines, by Mongols and also Turks. So the fortress today was closed at 8 o'clock, and now I'm standing under the tree waiting until rain will come off, and I will continue my journey. Now we can continue with history of this fortress. The name Narikala believed that it came from a Persian word that can be translated as a little fortress. But today it's not a little fortress anymore. In 1827 there was a huge earthquake in Tbilisi, and it damaged this fortress a lot. So it was rebuilt, and now it's not a little fortress anymore. During Soviet Union, this fortress was used as a prison. Well, today video went not as it was planned initially because of the rain, but I hope that I managed to show you at least a little bit how this fortress looked like and tell you a couple of interesting facts. In the next videos, when I will be making an episode about Tbilisi, I will show you better footage and also add some additional stories. Oh, and one more thing. Please let me know in the comments what would you improve, and tell me if this video is better than the previous one or it's still the same quality. So, I see you.